In this video, I'm going to show you how to make gradient text in CapCut PC step by step, even if you've never done it before. This is a simple but really powerful editing trick that can make your titles, callouts, and on-screen text look much more polished and professional. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create that smooth two-color gradient effect using just a few built-in CapCut tools. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut editing guides. Now let's jump in. First, open CapCut PC and start a new project, or open the project you want to work on. Once you're in the editor, go over to the Text tab. This is where you'll add your text layer. Drag default text onto the timeline and place it where you want the text to appear in your video. Now click into the text box and type your message. You can enter a title, a subtitle, a name, or any text you want to style. After that, use the font settings to choose the font style, size, spacing, and alignment that best fit your design. Next, we're going to set the first color. Click on the text layer, then go into the style menu. Here, choose your primary color. This will be the first half of your gradient text, so pick the color you want to appear on one side of the design. For example, you could start with blue, pink, purple, or any brand color you want. The key here is to choose a color that looks good when paired with your second color, because the blend between the two is what creates that gradient effect. Now comes the important part. You need to duplicate the text layer. You can do this by holding Alt and dragging the text clip, or by copying and pasting it. Then place the duplicate directly on the track above the original text clip. Make sure the two layers are perfectly aligned, because both layers need to match exactly for this effect to work properly. Since the layers are identical, you'll now have two copies of the same text sitting on top of each other. After that, select the top text layer and change its color to your second gradient color. This is going to be the other side of the gradient. So if your first layer is blue, maybe choose purple, pink, yellow, or another contrasting shade for the top layer. The goal is to create two matching text layers with two different colors, one underneath the other. When they're combined with a mask, they'll blend together into one gradient-style text effect. Once both layers are ready, create a compound clip. To do this, right-click both text clips, or select them both first, and then right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. This step groups the two text layers together so you can apply the mask more easily. If CapCut asks you to name the compound clip, just give it any name you want and confirm. Now your two text layers should behave like one combined element, which makes the next step much simpler. Now click on the top compound clip, and on the right-hand panel, go to Video and then Mask. From the mask options, select Split. This is the key tool that allows you to divide the text visually so each color shows on one side. Once you choose Split, you'll see a mask line appear across the text. At this point, you can start adjusting the gradient effect. Drag and rotate the mask line until the two colors meet in the exact place you want. If you want the gradient to flow left to right, angle the mask accordingly. If you want a diagonal blend, rotate it until it looks right for your design. This is where you can really customize the effect and make the text look unique. Take your time here, because even a small adjustment can change the entire look of the gradient. After positioning the mask, increase the feather slider. Feather helps soften the edge between the two colors, which creates that smooth, seamless blend instead of a hard line. The more feather you add, the softer the transition will look. If you want a cleaner, sharper split, keep the feather lower. If you want a more natural gradient blend, raise it until the colors flow together nicely. This is usually the step that makes the text look truly polished. Once you're happy with the result, play the preview to check how the text looks in motion and make any final tweaks. You can go back and adjust the colors, the mask angle, or the feather strength until it matches the style you're going for. And that's it, you've successfully made gradient text in CapCut PC. This technique is great for YouTube intros, thumbnails, titles, social media edits, and any project where you want text to stand out more. Once you learn this method, you can experiment with different color combinations and create all kinds of stylish text effects. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut PC tutorials, editing tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.